good, everybody? This is Mark Days back at you again. Over here at this little fourplex that I got my eyes on. Needs quite a bit of work, as y'all can see. But for the right price rather, I think it's a good play. Let me jump over here and see. Yeah, these doors is all locked for sure. It's a tax deed. Can't really. Oh, okay, we got kitchens and everything. Oh shoot, you heard me. I like that. Oh, nice little countertops and whatnot. So it looks like it was a rehab that got stopped. Let me jump over here real quick. It's a rehab that got stopped. And they didn't, obviously they stopped and didn't complete it. Got
arrived.
What's up with this joint? So they moved the door over a little bit. Okay. Bet. So this is interesting though. Let me see what they got going on over here. This is one of the bedrooms. Let me see if I can get the camera in there. Nah, I can't really get it to focus. These dudes left equipment and everything in here. It's kind of bugged out. Another kitchen, roughed in. Oh yeah, I like this. You know what I'm saying? See, now we got some foundational stuff going on. It looks like they were underneath trying to get the plumbing situated. You see they put up some cinder blocks to kind of hold everything in place. So that's definitely something that's gonna have to be addressed for sure. So let's see. Oh, we got another unit here. That's another one of the bedrooms, I presume. Yep. So you got some drywall and everything. It's hard to see it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's so dark too. Jump over to this next one. So there we got plumbing issues, ran pipes and stops. So that's something that'll have to be rectified. Doors look good. Decent little doors. Windows, new. You know what I'm saying? Another kitchen. Beautiful. In my opinion, that looks very nice. More foundational stuff going on. They was under there messing with the plumbing, as you can see. This is the main part that scares me the most, is this foundation stuff. That's the part that I'm not feeling the most, but I think, professionals will be able to take care of it, of course, but one of the windows is open. Yeah, see there? Yeah, roughed in closet. I think these are all 2-1s, if I'm not mistaken. I'm hoping ain't no squatters. Oh, one of these joints is open. Hold up, I'll be right back. This is how you gotta rock. Maybe it was the 4th. Might have been the 4th unit that was open. I'm going in this joint to see what it looked like. Yo. All right, we're about to see what's up. Yo. Nice granite. Put on my mask just in case, you never know. Nice windows, doors. They ain't put it in right. We got a panel in, duct work, Bathroom is roughed in. Decent floors throughout. Windows with the burglar bars. Okay. Okay, that was just the wind. Somebody was about to get clapped. God forgive me. But it is what it is. Nice. I think it's a decent spot. These are decent little spots. You know? Come on. Boom. That's what's up. Say what? They better not be. You heard me? So boom, we got to see one of the units. From what I can see through the windows, all 4 of the units are in the exact same condition. So that means they made it to a certain point and just stopped. It's a huge lot. The lot stops back there, if I'm not mistaken, where that concrete is. So 29,000 square foot lot. The building itself is roughly 2,500 square feet. So each apartment is roughly 625 square feet apiece. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, a small kitchen. They look nice. And guess what? You can build another one right there. So I like this play. I'm going after this play right here. See what this joint is looking like. And that's what it is, man. You got electrical going to the street, you know, but it does need a lot of work. It needs work. That foundation stuff is gonna be the main thing, if you ask me. And maybe a roof, you know, finishing off the plumbing, finishing off the electrical. It's locked, that's good. So each of the HVAC units will go here, the central air units, boom, boom. They look like they got plugs already set in for these. So, I mean, there might have to be some type of fixing that takes place because they look like they've been sitting for a good while. And obviously this ain't the best area in the whole entire world. You understand? People is wild nosy, by the way. Yeah, it's in the same condition as the other one. From what I could see. Can't see nothing in there. So it's a decent little spot, I think. Decent little play. So we're doing this walk around, see what's going on. So doors and shutters. See, somebody from South Florida, as you can see, was trying to rent it out. That's defunct, that's a wrap. So they stopped, and that was the end of that. They ain't did no more. It was over with. You know what I'm saying? See, that's locked, that's good. So yeah, that's it, that's the tour. Oh, they do have a walkway already built. Okay. I can't really tell because of so much debris and grass. That's good. That's one less thing you gotta pay for. Walkway to each joint. And that's it. Fence already built here. I would elect to put one all the way around. you know, for the protection of the tenants. You know what I'm saying? So we just maintaining. So again, this is Mark Days REI Group. See the roof. We don't know what condition the roof is in. I haven't looked on there, but from the Google photos, it probably needs a replacement. And it seems to be buckling in certain areas. As you can see, it's not straight, not flush. So something's gonna need to happen with that. But overall, it's decent. And that's the end of this tour, y'all. Y'all be safe, and be breezy. I'll be giving updates on this as we go along.